We're at the home of Randy. We're gonna A/B test for him some D series speaker cables. The D level speaks is the first place in the line where you can power active noise cancellation with TC links with 5-volt power coming from his power switch. We're gonna do that with gold signature TC links, which are a big upgrade over the standard black and green TC links that come with any D-level cable. But back to Randy's system. He's got the new U588 all-in-one player, the reference level of the X88 line. He's got a DTC mains 8. He's got a DTC Supreme power switch, 2nd gen. It's got the nice leather on top. And the speakers are the Borson O3s. They are gorgeous. Yeah. And I could tell right away what a nice sounding room it is. I mean, the music does just swell. It feels
just awesome.
Wow. Yeah.
Because you're not really pressurizing, you know, the room breathes.
These are gold signature level TC links.
Gold level?
Yeah.
Wow.
And they're, it blew my mind when they started offering upgraded versions of these, because I would not think that a DC cable would matter 1 whit for upgraded, you know, because it's just presenting pressure, voltage to, you know. But yeah, you can definitely hear the quality difference. This is the D2 speaks, and here's where you would plug in the TC Link 5-volt power supply.
Big difference between the two. You know, I kind of liken this back to, I think it was the first time I was in the store and you guys started with A2 power cables. Then we went up to the C2s, but it was a big jump on the power cable from the C2 to the D2. And that was kind of like my benchmark at the time. And I'm kind of likening this to the same thing that I heard that day, you know, in terms of impact and stuff, that there were definite differences, improvements, you know, from A up through the line, but it was probably even more noticeable with the D series. And that's exactly what I'm hearing here today.
Yeah.
You know, like I was saying when we first started out, the music has been brought forward. There's definitely more definition or defined spaces for the instruments, and the vocals are cleaner. It's just an overall more, you know, I'm going to say it's probably very similar to the C's, but a lot more of it.
That seems like a good description to me.
You know, I mean, there's nothing wrong with the C's, but I mean, this just kind of doubles down on everything.
Yeah, the C's are awesome.
And vocals are cleaner, but I mean, the overall presentation is more powerful. I mean, that's what I'm hearing.
Yeah, there's so much detail in the bass right now. I don't remember what the C's were like because it's been a few months, but
you know, it's there. The bass can be maybe a little fuzzy at times. At times. And, you know, and again, a lot depends upon the recording and how well things are recorded, but
the D's definitely.
I mean, I knew I was going to hear an improvement, but I just didn't know how much and where. But I mean, it's overall a pretty big leap from the C's.
Yeah. So the last time I did an A/B test involving D level speaker cables, we went from X to D. And yeah, that was jaw-dropping.
Yeah. Notes are a lot more defined. Where they were kind of, with the C's, they're a little more kind of washed together. I mean, you can hear it, but much more definition.
I know what you mean. O3s sound so good in this room. Holy shit.
And even systems that I hear like at Exponent and stuff, there's a pace that's more upbeat than other systems that you hear. You know, it's really engaging. I think that was one of the first things that I noticed about the Morrison speakers,
That
gets
driver
you
speed.
Yeah, driver speed.
Yes, I knew it. This has been a great visit to Wisconsin. We've had a wonderful time. And now we're about to drive back home to Chicagoland. Like, comment, and subscribe. Just kidding, don't comment.
Yeah.